How to use Google Meet application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, open Google application. After that, log in with your Gmail account. Once logged in, there you will see your profile icon at the top right corner. Now to join a meeting, you can see the option of code beside your profile. Simply click on it, click on got it, and paste the link. After that, you will be able to join the meeting. To create your own meeting, go to create a link, and copy the link at the top. Once the link has been copied, you can simply share it to the one you want to invite in Google Meet, and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.